Welcome to Back to Basics Kitchen. Today I am working, you can see I'm working in hamburger meat again. And what I'm doing, here you'll see, on a baking pan, I am making hamburger patties that I'm going to put into the oven and pre-cook them. And then I'm going to put them, I'm making them so that the size of them, once they're cooked, will fit into a wide mouth jar, and then I'm putting them into the canner and can them. I'm going to slice up some onions on them, so I'm going to go ahead and get these patted out, and then I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I've got them all patted out and on here, and I'm going to sprinkle them with a little bit of that seasoning. It's Kinder's Butter Steakhouse seasoning. I'm also going to sprinkle some salt and pepper on them. Get these over here. Well, I didn't get all the salt, the butter seasoning or the steak seasoning on all of them, but I'll go back to it. And then I'm going to get some pepper, a little pepper on all of them. And then I'm going to put these in the oven until they're all done, and then I'll bring you back. So the burgers are done, and what I'm doing is just grab one with the tongs and put it down into the jar. Just press it down. Then I'm going to put some, you can see I've got some onions cut up. Pop that middle out of them, and then just put a few on top of it like that, and then process them. So I've just taken my hamburgers out of the canner, and as you can see, I've got 8 pints. And you can see, I think, yeah, right there, you can see the burgers and that they have onions on top of them. That'll add some flavor to them. And we love the cooked onions on top of a burger anyway. So anyway, that gives me 8 more meals. So anyway, until next time, God bless you.